Right, hi Emily, welcome back to the channel. I'm just making a quick video to blow my own trumpet. Jack, go away. Ouch. Go on, off you go. Because you know all us resellers like to blow our own trumpets, and when we find something good, we have to come on YouTube and tell you all about it. But none of this is for resale, but if it was for resale, it could be quite good. So car boots were called off today. Well, they weren't called off, they were on, but I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning and it was wet and horrible outside, drizzling with rain. Thought the car boots weren't going to be very good, so I didn't bother going. And then looking on Facebook, someone was having a garage sale, and we've been to them previously before and got some good bits. So we popped along there, and this is what we got. That's one of them, obviously. Found a little handy cam, or a little camcorder rather. Pull out screen. It's a Practica. It's 10 times optical. It's full HD. It's got touchscreen and everything. Didn't power on. She only wanted a £5 for it. It wasn't until I got home that I saw the charging port. You probably can't see it in there, but the charging port is all caved in and knackered. So that's one to fix. But I looked that up online and found out that the recommended retail price for one of them, even though it's just a Practica, is £167. But obviously, you know, that's new. This isn't. So that's worth keeping just for filming stuff. Also down here, she had a backwards compatible PlayStation 3 FAT. Of course it's a FAT because they're the only ones that are backwards compatible. But yeah, this is a Czech C03, so what's that, a 40 gigabyte PlayStation. Plugged that in, turned on, it's all working. It's on software version 3.55. So that was good. Came with the couple of remotes. This one's not dual shock, but working fine. And then I did see another one that was dual shock, but that knob on that won't even push over to the right. So that will need changing. So that's something else that needs fixing. That was £15, which I thought wasn't too bad. Got a couple of remotes she had laying around, chucked in with all this. That's got the PlayStation Play camera, or what do you call it, the Eye, PlayStation Eye. And then maybe the best thing, if I can fix it, is this 50-inch TV. Now I didn't look it up while I was there. I've looked it up since when I got back. She said the problem with it, it's got one line down the screen, and I think some of the backlights, or one of the backlights, has come loose down the bottom of here. Let's turn it on to show you. So you've actually got a little bit of a light. There it is. So that's the one line we got over here down the screen, and it's like a backlight has come loose over here, and it's just like sort of showing through. So this is another one I'm going to take apart and repair. My stepson was after, he was going to buy a 55-inch TV because he's going to be moving house soon. But with moving house, obviously, and you know, renting somewhere, it's very expensive. So I thought 25 quid, we'll take a chance on it. We'll take it apart, see if we can get rid of that line. Could just be a connection, or might just have to buy a new one of the boards for it. But hopefully it won't be too expensive. But yeah, looked this up when I got home. I've looked up the code for it, and it's only a 2020 model, so it's only 2 years old. It is 4K smart TV. The reason she's getting rid of it, because she said they were decorating their house, and all of a sudden, you know, they've put the TV on, that line's appeared, this light has appeared, and they've got a new TV on their insurance. Is that a mark there? A little bit of smoosh on there. But no, so they've got a new TV on insurance, and they was getting rid of this for 25 quid. So took a chance on it. So this is going to be, you know, probably fix it video, see if we can get rid of this line, see if it's just a dodgy connection. But yeah, so that's it. Just a quick video of, like, if you don't go to the boot sales, keep an eye on Facebook for anyone having a garage sale, and you can find some good stuff. And if we used to resell all this, I mean, this, looking this up, this is still available. This model is still available on Argos for what was it, £340 I think it was. So even if you did get this working, you could sell it for, you know, over 100 quid on Facebook or something like that. PlayStation, last backwards compatible PlayStation I sold last year that was fully working. Cleaned it all out, redone the thermal paste, cleaned it all up. This one hasn't been interfered with because the security tag's still on there. And yeah, that's the last one I sold. I sold for about £150 with a couple of controllers and a couple of games. So yeah, so always keep your eye on Facebook. I very rarely see much on Facebook or find much on Facebook, but if someone's having a garage sale, then I'll always pop along to it, and this is a reason why. So there's my gloating YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one when I'm going to change the port. At some point, I'll change the port on there, and we'll get this in bits, see if we can get rid of this line and fix that loose backlight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.